Hello and welcome to Scroll Stopper channel. We made new comparison and specification video of Mibro T1 versus Haylou RS4 Plus smartwatch. Please see the full video. I added key features and reasons to buy section for you. Let's see. Mibro T1 has Bluetooth calling feature which is adding advantage from Haylou RS4 Plus. See the key features you need and pick your smartwatch. Subscribe Scroll Stopper for latest and in-depth smartwatch comparison. Thanks for watching this far. Know more, live more.